and welcome back to the Chards Coin and Bullion Dealer YouTube channel. In today's video, we present a truly remarkable piece. This is the 2025 Silverproof Sovereign coin, a historic first from the Royal Mint. Issued in proof condition, it stands out as one of the most notable releases for silver collectors in recent times. So if we open up the box, we'll see that it comes in the Royal Mint's classic proof boxing here with a picture of St. George and the dragon on the side, which is iconic to the sovereign design. And we will delve into some of the specifics of this coin. The silver sovereign, it mirrors its gold counterpart, so in both weight and diameter, it's crafted from 999 fine silver with a silver content of 0.2565 troy ounces. The coin itself weighs 7.98 grams and has a diameter of 22.05 millimeters. The iconic St. George and the Dragon design, originally created by Benedetto Pastrucci in 1817, adorns this coin. Pastrucci, born in Rome in 1783, was a renowned gem engraver whose talent quickly gained international acclaim. Upon his arrival in London in 1815, Pastrucci was commissioned by the Master of the Royal Mint to create new coin designs. His depiction of St. George slaying the dragon has graced gold sovereigns for over 2 centuries, and this is the first time it is used on a silver sovereign from the Royal Mint, continuing the tradition. So, if I'm to look at the certificate here, it says introducing a silver edition of Sovereign. Now, what number have we got here? We've got 34,354. We have a limited edition presentation of 50,000 coins with a maximum coin mintage of 50,010 coins. So, it's not the lowest mintage proof coin the Royal Mint has ever released, but I'm sure it's going to be a popular release, with it being the first of its kind. Each coin is issued with a Royal Mint presentation display box and a certificate of authenticity, making it a prized addition to any silver collection. An added benefit for UK collectors is that this coin is exempt from CGT. Don't miss the opportunity to own the first silver-proof sovereign. The 2025 Silverproof Sovereign is a testament to timeless design and craftsmanship. Acquire yours today and be part of this historic release. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.